Okay, let the fun carry on. Round the bend, down the hill, up over a little hump I suppose, and then a nice climb up to the top of the first section. Straight ahead's all coming down from the other side. Good gear today. Who's ready for some climbing? First climb out of the quarry, then climb to the top of the hill. Slow and steady climb. Should have started with this. Anyway, I like going on adventurous rides, mixing up the trails. I very rarely start at the start line and finish there. Jump on in different sections all over that place. Yeah, we're already at Acacia Lane. Got it in a nice easy gear, but the legs don't burn so much. That seems to have helped. Just keeping the legs going. No wildlife yet. Start kicking down the gears now. flat in for now. Zebra crossing. And it's called zebra crossing. Keep saying it enough and it happens, eh? Rebel's fillet, just moved it, relocated it to a different spot. Let's go. Keeping a nice steady pace. Downhill start. Take all the right lines down here, you don't even have to pedal all the way down the hill. Let's see if I'm going up momentum to get around that bend. Yeah, we do. Let's enter the Super 2. I really need to extend those a bit. More like a super tube. I haven't pedaled once yet. Let's see if we can do it. Riding back to our pedaling. Perfect, okay. I need to trim that tree. Still not pedaling yet. Moving fast enough to get some air. Still haven't pedaled yet. I think I'm going to have to do this. I'll have to. Is there one more thing like dragon back skips it? So I have to pedal now. I'm not going to have enough to get to the end. I'll make it, but it's going to be very slow. So forgive me, guys. Time to pedal a bit. Using our switchbacks. Almost epic failure. Just about a pedal. Our pedal would have definitely hooked up against that ridge on the side here. I need to pedal again. Okay, next up guys, we've got switchbacks. Sure, you can even go straight here. Take a bit of a shortcut, but let's do switchbacks. It's more fun. Stay around, stick around, guys. We'll be back shortly. Thanks for watching.